Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this Easter cutout. This is a paint by line product, so all the lines you see here are etched into the cutout for you. And I am going in first with the color cotton to paint my bunny. And you guys, throughout this video and most of my videos, I'm using Dixie Belle chalk paint, which you can purchase online at buildacross.com, along with the brushes and the cutout that I'm painting on. And you guys, this paint is so great because the coverage. So as you'll see here, I'm painting with white, and I pretty much can get away with one coat. Sometimes I go in with two, it just depends. And now I'm going in with soft pink for the inside of his ears. And you guys, I'm sure you can see I'm not worried about getting outside the lines because I know that's going to be cleaned up as I add more colors and then later when I outline everything. Next, I'm going to go in with Lucky Lavender to paint my background. I'm just using a number 12 flat for this, you guys. That's the brush I grab probably the most often. And now I'm going in and painting my polka dots in Dixie Belle blue. Next, I'm going to go in with my heat gun and just dry everything a little bit. I want to focus on kind of like the inside of my ears so that that lettering can dry and I can go over it. It's definitely easier to paint over lettering and then, go in with whatever color you want to paint your letters instead of kind of trying to outline everything and be super detailed. Don't worry, you will still be able to see the lines in person. It's kind of hard to see right now on the camera, but I can still see it fine in person. So I'm using a number 4 round and peony for my Easter bunny's lettering. And lettering is always the part that takes me the longest. You just got to be a little bit more detailed. And I like to kind of carry the cutout around with me, kind of scoot it as I move so that I'm able to rest my hand on the table, and that helps make me more steady. And now I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and outline my bunny. And then I'm going to go in and to outline the inside of his ears and highlight, I'm using Savannah Mist, and I'll just use number 4 round for that. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day.